அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today we are going to learn class 10 social science geography major physiographic divisions of India, the Peninsular Plateaus. Questions and answers. The plateau region lies to the south of the Great Northern Plains. The Peninsular Plateaus, the largest physiographic division of our country. The Peninsular Plateaus. The Peninsular Plateaus covers an area of about 16 lakh square kilometer. The plateau that covers about half the total area of the country. The Peninsular Plateaus. An old rocky plateau region. The Peninsular Plateaus. The northwestern boundary of the plateau region. Aravalli Hills. The northern and northeastern boundaries of the plateau region. The Bundelkhand Upland, Kaimur, Rajmahal Hills. The western boundaries of the plateau region. The Western Ghats. The eastern boundaries of the plateau region. The Eastern Ghats. The altitude of a large portion of the plateau is more than does from mean sea level. 600 meter. The highest point in the plateau, the peak of Anaimudi. The height of the peak of Anaimudi, 2695 meter. Plateau sloping from west to east. Peninsular Plateau. The Great Plateau is a part of the Dash landmass, Gondwana. Due to the old age, the rivers in this region attained their base level and developed broad and shallow valleys. Peninsular Plateau. Which river divides the plateau region of India broadly into two parts? The Narmada. The region lying to the north of the Narmada is called the Central Highlands. The region lying to the south of Narmada is called the Deccan Plateau. The rivers lying to the south of the Vindhyas flows eastward and fall into the Bay of Bengal, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. The two rivers situated to the south of the Vindhyas flow westward through the Rift Valley and fall into the Arabian Sea. Narmada, Tabdi. The highlands extend between the river Narmada and the northern Great Plains. The Central Highlands. What form the west and northwestern edge of the Central Highlands? The Aravallis. The hills extend from Gujarat through Rajasthan to Delhi in the northwesterly direction for a distance of about 700 km. The Aravallis. The height of the hills is about 1500 meter in southwest, while near Delhi the height is hardly 400 meter. The Aravallis. The highest peak of the Aravallis, Gurusika, 1722 meter. The western part of the Central Highland is known as the Malwa Plateau. The plateau lies to the southeast of Aravallis and to the north of Vindhya Range. The Malwa Plateau. The rivers that drain the Malwa Plateau before they join the river Yamuna. Chambal, Betwa, Ken. The part of the Central Highlands which extends to the east of Malwa Plateau is known as Bundelkhand. Further extension of Malwa Plateau is known as Bagel Hand. The eastern part of the Central Highlands, which lies in the northeastern part of the Indian Plateau, is known as Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau covers Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. The region very rich in mineral resources, particularly iron ore and coal. Chota Nagpur Plateau. The physiographic division is the largest part of the plateau region of India. Deccan Plateau. The shape of which plateau is roughly triangular. Deccan Plateau. The area of which plateau is about 7 lakh square kilometer and the height ranges from 500 to 1000 meter above sea level. Deccan Plateau. The Ghats that forms the western edge of the Peninsular Plateau. The Western Ghats. The Ghats that runs parallel to the Arabian Sea coast. The Western Ghats. The northern part of the Western Ghats is called as Sahyadris. The height of the dash increases from north to south. Sahyadris. A sort of tri-junction of the Aravalli Range, the Cardamom Hills and the Palani Hills. Anaimuli. A beautiful hill resort situated on the Palani Hills. Kodaikanal. The Ghats that run from southwest to northeast form the eastern edge of this plateau. Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats range is also called as Purvatri. The Eastern Ghats join the Western Ghats at Das, bordering Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The Nilgiri Hills. Continuous mountains. The Western Ghats. Non-continuous Ghats. The Eastern Ghats. The rivers of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Pennar and Kaveri have dissected this range at many places. The Eastern Ghats. Thank you.